to my cruise. Welcome to the Titan. It looks so beautiful. Looks like we got everyone. Yeah, this place. What are you supposed to do? This is just so luxury. I wonder how everyone's gonna think. This place looks so cool, yeah. There's gonna be some good pictures. Dane Johnson net worth $25 million. He's rich. He has to be rich. Who's that? Michael yacht owner, net worth $5 billion. This looks like some very expensive people. Look at this. Jacob Williams, net worth $55 million. I think I'm done with my pictures. This place looks so beautiful. Huh? There's a campfire? I'm going down the elevator. You're right. Okay. This place looks so cool, right, guys? Yeah. So let's go over here. Wow. This looks like a bed. Ugh. Ow. Open. The chest there. Time for departure. Let me press this. Just start the engine. Captain, we're ready for departure. Okay, sir. Today's gonna be a beautiful day. Bye. You can have anything on the Titan. This is so cool. Bye. Goodbye. Guys, help me. Wait, why are you guys leaving me? Please. Tennis. Hey, yeah. I'm on my raft, finding me by myself. Guys, don't get left behind. It was really fun that day. I'm getting tired. Yeah, this is some music everyone. Yo, I like this drink. It's delicious. I got some drinks. Who wants some more drinks? Guys, here you go. Anyone? This is some delicious food. Yeah. Got some chicken, I got some fish. That looks delicious. Not sure about the fish though. Yeah. Oh. Let's give you some drink. Yeah, this is good drink. This is a robbery. Or hijacking, I don't know. Not my ice cream. Anyone knows how to fly this plane? I mean, does anyone know where the captain is? Seriously? I'm the most beautiful. Fine. This is the money vault. Just what I've been looking for. The chest with all the jewels in it. Remain still, please. My ice cream. Oh yeah, I got what I need. Beep. Hello? Where's the elevator? Oh. Finally, the elevator's here. It's been a while. Got a gun in there. Ah! Ah! Whoa, what is that shaking? Yeah, I'm leaving. You guys that's your problem. We seem to be sinking. That's what we do. Come on, line up for the elevator. Where's the... Ah! We're filling up with water. Bye. How do I get back up? Someone let me out, please. How do I get out of this? Any problems? What? What's happening to the lights? We're sinking! Somebody help us! Come on, guys, get your life vest. Everyone stay calm. I'm gonna play some beautiful music. Come on, open. Ah. How do I get out? Somebody let me out, please. Ah! Come on, get on. Everybody's still. Wait, but there's no one. Guys, the water! Ah! Ah! Where are we? think the hole's going under. I'm sliding. Somebody help me. I can't get up. Are those people down there?
Don't push me.
Stop kicking.